I love the Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil because it's super lightweight while still adding shine to my hair.
My hair is more on the fine side.
Fine hair, 3B curl, thick, wavy, and frizzy.
My hair will get pretty dry, and then when it gets dry, it breaks. So this is great for strengthening and like preventing damage.
It's definitely helped give my hair strength and repair it.
I also really like that this has ceramides and fatty acids in it, really lock in moisture.
What I also love about this product is that it's silicone-free. It helps to hydrate my hair as well as protect it from damage or anything else.
As you can tell, my hair is super bouncy, super defined, and very shiny. My hair is healthier, lightweight, and just beautiful.
My hair just feels super healthy overall after using it each time. I would definitely recommend this product to anybody, regardless of your hair type, whether it's straight, curly, wavy, thick, or thin.
It works amazing.
This, for me, is a big win.